Good morning, beta. Let's start with the new chapter, that is exponent and power. First, let's understand the meaning of the term exponent. Exponent means the term that is written in the form of raised to the power. If the term is written in the form of raised to the power, that will be known as your exponent. If I write 10 raised to power 4, then 10 is base here and 4 is your exponent. Okay, so this is your exponent. Base is 10, raised to power 4 means that is your exponent, that is your power. What do you mean by 10 raised to power 4? Means you will raise 10 raised to power 4 means 10 will be raised 4 times. You will write 10 4 times. So your answer will be 10,000. Okay, if I write 2 raised to power 3, 2 is base here and 3 is the exponent. And 2 raised to power 3 is 2 in 2 you will write 3 times. 2 you will raise 3 times. So you will write it 3 times. Answer is 8. Now example number 1 is express 256 as power 2. Example number 1 is express 256 as power of 2. So you will make prime factors of this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 64, 32. You will take smallest prime number here. You can't take bigger number, that will be wrong. So 2 I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 2 raised to power 8. Yes, next is, yes, start the same type of question. Express 72 as a product of prime number. आपने इसको किस में लिखा है? बेस 2 में लिखा है. एक्सप्रेस दिस एज अ पावर ऑफ 2. तो आपने एक्सप्रेस कर दिया. अगर क्वेश्चन आ जाए एक्सप्रेस 72 as a product of prime, so you will prime factorize it, you will make its prime factor and you will get the answers in the form of prime number. Hurry up, start this question. This you will write in the fair notebook. Have you noted down this thing? This you will write in the fair notebook, this thing. Hurry up. Express 72 as a product of prime numbers. Done. So 72 can be written as is it okay? Have you written in this form? Drishti. Okay. Next, write down 432. Express 432 as a product of prime factor. Make its prime factor 2 twos are 4, 3, 2 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? Now let's start with the exercise 12.1. First question is, find the value of 2 raised to power 6. Find the value of. So 2 will be written 6 times. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. And the answer is 64. Second part is 9 cube. So you will write 9 3 times. 7 to 9. Next is 11 square. Hurry up. Hurry up, solve this. Write 11 two times. 11 into 11 is 121. Eleven into 11 is 121. 5 raised to power 4 means 5 will be multiplied 4 times. Answer is 625. Check your answers. Check your answer. Hurry up. Done. Arpita, do you have any doubt? Question number 2. Write in the exponential form. Exponential form means in the form of power. 6 raised to power 4. T into T. T is written 2 times. Base is same, power will be added. T raised to power 2. 6 की power 1, 6 raised to power 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will become 4. T raised to power 1, T raised to power 1. Power is occurring 2 times. Both the power will be added because the base is same. So T raised to power 2. B into B into B into B. B raised to power 4. Today you have test of chapter 9, rational number. So be prepared for the test. Test will be in the form of PDF, MCQs are there, and the answer key of that will be shared after the test. Okay, maybe in the today's evening, or I will send you answer key tomorrow. So be prepared for the test, and you will check your answers from the answer key. 7 is occurring 3 times and 5 is occurring 2 times. So the answer is 5 square into 7 cube. Is it okay? Next is 2 into 2 into A into A. 2 is occurring 2 times and A is occurring 2 times. So both have the same power, so you can combine the power also. So let's write the power combine. After combining, you will get 2A raised to power 2. 2 is also having power 2. A is having power 2. So both the terms will be combined. It will become 2a square. Okay. Next is A. A is lying 3 times. C is lying 4 times. And D. So A will be written A cube. C is lying 4 times. So C raised to power 4. D is occurring 1 time. So D raised to power 1. You can actually powers are different. So you can't combine it. Here the powers is same. So I have combined. Here the powers are again different. So you can't combine it. Any doubt? So I'm giving you 1 minute. You please read out all the first and the second question. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Hurry up. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Now I want to ask that can we do like this in first question?
We have done in the same manner, beta. Nothing is different. ऐसे ही तो किया हमने.
मैम आपने नीचे जैसे 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 भी लिखा है मैम, मैंने इस मेथड से किया, मतलब वो नहीं लिखा, सीधा ही इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
I think today we have maximum attendance 47. है ना? Yes, Arshia. Okay, take screenshot of the attendance. So it's compulsory to give the test. And if you are not giving the test, your parents will be called in the school. So it's compulsory to give the test. Because it will be the part of your internal assessment. So you have to give the test. Question number 3, express in the exponential form. Exponential form is in the form of power. Okay, make the prime factor. If the question is expressed in the exponential form, write as a product of prime or write in the form of factors. All the 3 questions are same. So you will do prime factors in that case. Okay, so make the prime factor and tell me its answer. Answer will be 2 raised to power 8. So you will get 2 8 times in its factors. So you please make the factors. Hurry up and let's check, is it correct? Please check it and tell me. Done. Are you getting the same factors? Vrishti?
मैम 2 raised to power 9 आना है.
Okay, 2 raised to power 9. Okay, thank you, beta. Now make the prime factors of this and express it in the form of the product of prime factors, you can say, or you can say the question is expressed in the form of exponent, exponential form. Hurry up, make the prime factors. It is not divisible by 2. You will divide this by 3. Three raised to power 5. Three twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. Rest of the things will be same. So this will be 3 raised to power 6. Next is 3125. 3125. Question number 5 is again same. Question number 3 we are done. Question number 5 is again same that you will do at your own. Question number 4. You have to check which one is greater. 4 raised to power 3 is 64. 3 raised to power 4 is 81. So which one is greater? 3 raised to power 4 is greater than 4 raised to power 3. Solve this, beta. Five cube is 125 and 3 raised to power 5 is 243. So 3 raised to power 5 is greater than 5 raised to power 3. Yes, Janvi.
यस मैम। मैम मुझे फोर्थ क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया।
आपने बताना है इनमें से कौन सा ग्रेटर है। 4 क्यूब का मतलब है 4 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड 3 टाइम्स। 3 रेज टू पावर 4 का मतलब है 3 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड 4 टाइम्स। 81 ग्रेटर है कि 64? Which one is greater out of these two? 81. तो इसका मतलब this one is greater than this. Same is the 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. 3 raised to power 5 means 3 will be multiplied 5 times. Answer is 243. So this one is greater. So 3 raised to power 5 is greater than 5 raised to power 3. Next is
ओके
third part.
थैंक यू।
2 raised to power 8, 8 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 8 means 2 will be multiplied 8 times. 2 2 is 4, 4 4 4. अगर आप डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहते हो यू कैन। ये क्या हो गया 16 into 16 क्या होता है 256 and 8 raised to power 2 is 8 into 8 that is 62. This one is greater. 256 is greater than 64. 256 means 2 raised to power 8 is greater than 8 raised to power 2. Okay. Any doubt? Next is 2 raised to power 100 and 100 raised to power 2. Which one is greater? So 2 raised to power 100, it's not possible for us to solve it directly. So what you will do, you will split the power. 10 into 10 is 100. So I have written 100 as 10 into 10. Okay. 2 raised to power 10 is 1024. अब आप देखो आप 1024 को 10 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कितना बड़ा नंबर आएगा एंड 100 स्क्वायर इज 100 into 100 दैट इज 10,000. सो यू कैन कंपेयर इट इजिली. ये ग्रेटर आएगा कि ये? ऑब्वियसली दिस इज ग्रेटर. यही आएगा ना. तो आप लिखोगे 1024 रेज टू पावर 100 10 is greater than 10,000. This means 2 raised to power 100 is greater than 100 raised to power 2. Now compare this. 2 raised to power 10 is 1024. You have to multiply 2 10 times. 10 square is 100. So 1024 is greater than 100. This means 2 raised to power 10 is greater than 10 raised to power 2. Do question number 5 first part. Start question number 5 first part. Express as a product of prime factors. Make the prime factors and write in the form of power. Done. Yes, Guneet, answer of the first part is 648. Have you done?
मैम अभी कर
मैम 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 4.
yes ma'am 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3
Raised to power.
and second answer is 3 multiplied by 4 power is 2 multiplied by 9.
9 will be written 3 square. 9 will be written 3 square. Don't write 9. Actually, the question is write in the form of prime factor. So 9 is not a prime number. So you have to write 9 in the form of 3 square. Okay. Next is 405. 405. Express 405 as a product of. आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में एक चीज नोटिस करी, जितने भी नंबर थे जिनका बेस स्मॉलर था दैट आर ग्रेटेस्ट, दैट वर ग्रेटर ऑफ द अनदर वन. लाइक 2 raised to power 10, 10 raised to power 2, दोनों में से बेस किसका लीस्ट है? 2, तो ये ग्रेटर है. 5 क्यूब 3 raised to power 5, 3 जिसका बेस है वो ग्रेटर है. हैव यू सीन दिस थिंग? तो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. लेकिन एक एग्जाम्पल ऐसा है जिसमें ये चीज वैलिड नहीं है, एंड दैट एग्जाम्पल इज 2 क्यूब एंड 3 स्क्वायर. इसमें वैलिड नहीं है, इसमें बेस ये छोटा है ना, इट शुड बी ग्रेटर बट इट्स नॉट सो. ये 8 है, ये 9 है, ये ग्रेटर है. तो ये उसका एग्जाम्पल है. हमेशा ये वैलिड नहीं होता, तभी हम चेक करते हैं. अगर ये चीज वैलिड होती तो हम बेस देखकर ही आंसर बता देते कि ये ग्रेटर है. तो ये वैलिड हमेशा नहीं होता, किसी किसी जगह पे पॉसिबल है. तो देखो यहाँ पॉसिबल नहीं है, नहीं है ना पॉसिबल. बात समझ आई मेरी? मैंने आपको कहा जिसका बेस स्मॉलर है दैट विल बी ग्रेटर, बट इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज ट्रू. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. This number is having smaller base than this, but it's not greater, it is less than this. Okay.